Yeah, we're going to be right on the bubble for temperatures. We're going to have a frontal boundary just kind of stall right over northeast Ohio and western Pennsylvania. Colder air, higher snowfall rates well north of us. But again, it's going to be a fine line as to temperatures to tell us what kind of overall precipitation type we're going to get. But we are going to be in the favored storm track with the fronts going to kind of park right and bisect from northeast to southwest through Ohio. All right, watches and warnings. Yes, winter storm watch now is going to go into effect for the entire valley. It was just for Mahoning, Trumbull County, Lawrence County, Mercer County, and Columbiana getting in on that out of the National Weather Service. This starts up tomorrow evening and goes until Friday morning. So travel impacts overnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and through the day Thursday and overnight into Friday morning is when we're looking at potential for some very icy roads. And also with this type of icing we're going to get, that could put some weight down on some of the power lines. Tree limbs break and they knock down power lines, so could be some power outages. Temperature outlook, we're going to see a nice mild day today. I think we're going to get to about 40. All right, overnight tonight's going to stay mild, upper 20s. Tomorrow, upper 30s again. Now we're getting into the rain tomorrow. And what you're going to see is you're going to see that frontal boundary just kind of stall right there. An area low pressure forms in the deep, deep south. What that's going to do is that's going to kind of cause this to just stall and not move very much. Lots of moisture being funneled in from the Gulf and the Caribbean, and that's going to give us all the ingredients we need. And that 24 degrees, that's right on the bubble for precipitation type. So it could be snow, could be sleet, freezing rain. It's going to be a mess regardless, and we're going to have to take some extra time for Thursday morning travel as well as into the evening hours. You notice we also get colder as we go into the weekend as well. So rain, we're going to start up tomorrow in the afternoon, so we'll be dry today. Temperatures right now warmer than yesterday in the upper teens. No single-digit temperatures, but we do have wind chills right about 10 to 12 degrees. So it's cold outside, but not as cold as yesterday. There's temperatures mid-teens in Newcastle. It's 19 at the airport, and there you see wind chills in the positive territory. It's 1 below right now in Canfield, but outside of that, looking pretty good. All right, car wash forecast for today. Yes, low 20s, already above freezing. If you wanted to get your car washed today, 36 by noon, on our way to about 40 degrees. All right, Futurecast put it into motion here. System just chugging along, moving, sliding through, but then you see it just kind of slows down. Lots of moisture. Rain starts up tomorrow into the evening hours for Wednesday night. Starts to mix in with some sleet, freezing rain. That will accumulate. That'll make for that glaze on top of roads, on your car. You'll get that shell on your car. And then it looks to be, as the system is leaving, we'll get with the snow. Ice accumulation could be heavy, anywhere from 1/10 to 1/4 inch, and seeing some models that are showing even closer towards 1/2 inch of ice. So good news with all this is temperatures are going to be warm enough for any of the products that they use on the roads to actually work. When it's really cold, it's hard for some of that salt and some of that chemicals that they use to actually impact the ice. But it's going to be a slow go Thursday morning. Tonight, upper 20s, increasing clouds. Tomorrow, rain developing in the afternoon, and could be some ponding with the rain has nowhere to go with all this snow we still have in place. All right, there you see into Thursday, wintry mix changing over to snow. Temperatures falling into the afternoon, 34 for the early morning and early afternoon temperature, but then dipping into the teens. Snow showers wrap up on Friday, and then we're going to get into some cold weather. Temperatures around 20 on Saturday, a little warmer on Sunday, upper 20s, and low to mid 30s on Monday.